Hello student, in the last class we learned how to create these columns, and in this class we create walls. So I start from the top left side. You can create wall by using two different methods. First method is by using box tool and second method is by using wall tool. First I create wall by using box tool. So first I enable this snapping option, and in this snapping option I choose vertex snapping. Select box tool and click and drag, and then provide height. Right click to exit, and in the modify section increase height. We take 9 feet for columns, so we take 9 feet for box also. Wall is created. Now convert this as a editable poly and then select face. I select all the faces first and then press Alt key and select again. So all the selected face is deselected and only this face is selected. Now right click and choose extrude tool. Wall width is 5 inches, so I put 5 inches in this and apply. Okay. Now select this face, so select all the faces again and then press Alt and select again, so these faces is deselected. Now right click and choose extrude again and disable snapping options and select and move this. In this process it's a time taking process, so you have to every time extrude and select and extrude and select again and again, so it's a little bit time taking process. Now right click and extrude again and select this face, extrude, select this face again and extrude, and click and drag manually. We create window at this position, so I move back again and place this here and then right click and extrude. Window size is 36 inches, so I put value 36. Okay, and then extrude again. You can use semicolon for repeat last command. By using this, extrude apply again, and this time I move back again. Okay, and then extrude 5 inches. Okay, so wall creation is complete. By using this step you can create all the walls. So it's a little bit time taking tool, and you have to face some problem when you place door and window in this wall. So you have to create connections and create a hole and then brace them, so it's a very long process. And the second way is by using wall tool, so it's a very easy and fast way. So we use this. First I delete this, and wall tool is available in the AEC extended wall tool, and you can fill values here. 5 inches for width and height is 9 feet. And these are justifications. If you select left justification and enable the snapping, wall start creating from the left side. If you select center, it's create in the center, and if you select right side, so it's create in the right side. So you can change the justification according to your requirement. I start wall creation from here. Just click on the start or end point. You can release here or start a new wall from here. One by one we create all the walls. We have to change the justification, or we just choose another point. You can also change viewport layout by click on this plus sign. First I release this wall tool and then click on the plus sign, click on the configure viewport, and in the layout tab select the second option, apply and OK. Press F3 to show mesh and F4 to show edges. Now you have a big space to create walls. I start again. If by mistake you snap on the wrong point like this, so you can go back by pressing backspace key. So it's a very fast way to create walls. Okay, wall creation is complete. Now select all the wall from the scene explorer and then click on this color box and apply a color. Okay, so all walls has a single color, and if you want to change the rectangle color also, so select rectangle and click on this box again, and this time I choose little bit dark color. Okay, now we create stairs, so I choose stair tool from here. Four different type stair is available here. First is straight stair. So before I start creation this, I enable the snapping, and this time I choose grid space snapping and disable the vertex snapping, and then enable this. The creation method of this stair is first create a point and then click and hold and then create a second point and then provide width. And by pressing keyboard shortcut S, you can disable snapping and then provide height. And you can also change viewport by pressing F key and provide height. Okay. And now you can change the basic settings of this by using modify section. Three different type is available here, and these parameters are same for all the stair type. Second is close and third is box. And you can also increase overall height from here and rises also. These are pin. You can pin any one parameter of these three. This time overall height is pin, and if you increase the rises number, so they automatically adjust in the defined width or height like this. If you want to increase length, you can increase from here, and width you can increase from here. And the other parameter related to railings, first you have to enable from here and then you modify from here. So first I delete this stair and then create for our plan, and it's a U-type stair, so I choose U-type and enable snapping first, and this time I choose vertex snapping because we have points in the AutoCAD plan. Click and hold on this point and then move and press I for extend this and release on the second point. Now you can provide width for this, and then provide height from the front viewport, and disable snapping by using keyboard shortcut S. You can also fill overall height in this box. First enable second and then edit. Okay, then pin this. Now you have to modify this couple of times. First place the perfect location and disable the snapping also. First decrease the offset area and the size should be 4 inches. Okay, and then place in the perfect location. Okay, and then increase width and then change type. I choose closed type. Okay, we have to increase the length 1 or length 2. And increase the rises numbers because 8 into 19 is enough for this plan. Okay, now it's perfect. In this class we learned wall creation by two different methods and stair creation, and in the next class we create doors and windows.